Hi guys, I want to show you how long it takes my laptop to boot up with an HDD with an HDD. But I will say sometimes it's fast, sometimes it's very slow. Like it's even the fast is slow, but it's like sometimes it's slower than other times. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, I'm gonna show you guys now. Okay, start button. I don't understand how the screws are going so easily, but mine feel like they're stuck. It's as if they were put in there and like they said, you must never. That's what it feels like, bro. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. I know I'm going the right way, bro. So I don't understand. I'm trying not to like break them or anything like that, obviously. Why isn't it unscrewing, bro? What's happening? But it fits though. Ha 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 ha. We are off to a terrible start. I don't wanna lie. Let me try this one. We are off to a terrible start because what do you mean? Oh, okay. This one works. Crisis averted. I learned this trick from the same video that I'm watching, that like when you unscrew, put the things, oh, put the things on, like arrange them in order of how they are on your laptop so that you don't lose anything. The screws are suddenly different. Now I must start the hassle again. Oh, okay. I was gonna say I must start the hassle of looking for the proper screwdriver. I nearly dropped it. You guys. This is why I cannot do hard way. Yo. Yeah. Can you imagine if that's a client's laptop? Hey, I can't get the screw out. It's the client laptop and the client is right there watching. Hey, yeah. That would have been something. They'd be like, you know what? Bring me my laptop. Bring me my laptop. You know what it is, yeah? somebody, not me, because I've never tried to do this, somebody tried to remove this screw, but they used the wrong screwdriver, so now it's kind of like damaged, shall I say. So that's why it's like struggling to get this. Thingy to pull this out. So this is what I found. I don't know if it's gonna be effective. It's actually a screwdriver also.
This tool can absolutely love it. I've got several of them because
maybe it's too large.
Easy to use. They are an RGM102, often sold on Amazon and recommended by Lewis Rossman of the Apple Mac repair fame.
This doesn't feel safe. Like, I'm doing exactly what, oh my god, I'm doing exactly what the guy is doing. Oh no, it's just this. Yeah, guys, I'm so sorry, words cannot explain how much that scared me, because I thought I actually broke it. But it's just the gap from the CD drive. CD drive? Yeah, I think that's what it's called. Yeah. Just hoping nothing breaks. Okay. Is it really the... I feel like it's broken. But maybe it's not. I don't know. Now I'm stuck here because I'm trying to get... Oh, okay, I thought I switched it on. I'm trying to get here, but it's not really budging. And this is where the CD drive is. Now if I try to like force it, it's definitely gonna... There we go. Okay, just for your view, this is what it looks like. It is completely... Yo, the dust. Jesus. Can I clean this? I don't think so, but wow. Oh, I actually have an extra slot for my RAM. I didn't know I could. I didn't know it was expandable. That's a purchase for another day. Okay, let me show you inside my laptop. So this is the inside of my laptop. Very, very dusty, as you can see. Is this dust or is it? Yeah, it's definitely dust. This is the battery. This is the fan, which has so much dust. Jesus. This is obviously the HDD, which I'm gonna replace with my SSD. Here's my SSD, by the way. I don't know if I showed you guys. 512 GB. I don't know how much this one is, but it's way less. Yeah. I think this is for extra. No, I don't know. Would this be for extra RAM? I'm not sure. But yeah, this is the inside. I'm just gonna look up now how to clean a fan because I think I could actually clean it because wow, the dust is dusting in there. So now we are going to unscrew the HDD. Imagine if it doesn't fit. Yo, I would cry. So on the HDD it says don't shock or push or cover. Like don't shock the hard drive, man. The things that some of you people are storing in your hard drives, you are definitely shocking it. Wait, is this the right one? Let's see. There we go. Listen, girls in STEM. Girls in STEM. Come on now. Wait, what do I need to unscrew? The whole thing? But yeah, there's so much dust in here. Why are you removing Cole Palmer? That's my captain. Hi, FPL.
Towards me.
Okay, so this guy has an Asus notebook. I also have an Asus notebook, but his is like slightly different from mine. The form factor I can see is slightly different from mine, but the what's the word? The crucial things, essential things, the essential things are the same, but some things are
Have a
like
quick look at this if you want
a
to.
bit
That's
different.
heat staked all of palm rest.
Okay. There's my hard drive. Okay then. So now I have to take the way my trust issues are set up, I still don't believe that my SDD is gonna fit in here. So I have to take this. So I have to remove that and then put my SDD inside. SSD. What did I say? SDD. So now this thing has screws, so I have to unscrew these things, and then as you can see this also has like openings for the screws. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Still be careful because if you have I'll just be quiet, bro, at this point. Let me just be quiet. Okay. Bruh, you know what I love about technology, yeah? Technology, should I say technology? But yeah, it's technology because there are many brands that make, what is that? Oh, there are many brands that make hard drives, right? So, like I'm saying now, that you have to screw in this thing into whatever this thing is called, right? You can easily mess it up by, like, if you move the the thing is by 1 inch, you cannot fit this into, you cannot fit your drive into your this, what is this thing called, drive holder, I'm gonna call it that. So if the holes are off by like 1 inch, you, it's basically useless, you know. So like the fact that it all fits like perfectly, like wow. Wow. The things are not like aligned 100%, so these ones are aligned, but this one is not. So I don't really know where I went wrong. Did I fold it? Fold it, not fold it. Bend. Did I bend it? This is not tightening. What's going on? Was the screw not there? Shall I put it here? Imagine, now I just guess where were the screws. I'm surprised because I see a hole for the screws, but the screw is just turning, like it's not actually tightening. Where are all these screws coming from? Because I have 6 screws here and I have 4 holes. Ha, 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 ha. Let me watch my footage back and try to figure out where the screws are coming from, genuinely. Okay guys, so I see now where the screws are coming from. As you can see, this is the hard drive, and these are the holes where I took the screws from. And then this is my SSD. It has no holes. So, but now I'm trying to figure out, because if you put it like this, hold on. If you put this like that, then the screws are just going down. So like, did I open this? I'm so confused. I don't wanna lie, but I'm very confused, because if you put it, yeah, because it goes in just like this, right? Just like this, and then it's like, hold on, it's like that, and then this does not align with that, and that does not align with that. So I'm trying to figure out, like, do I just leave it like this? But like, it's obviously like really loose, so Yeah, nah. Now I'm like stressing a little bit, but I'm actually like genuinely confused. Like I wish I had a close up of whatever I was doing. Like you see now, like that's what I'm saying. These screws were going into the hard drive, but these ones, I am so frustrated now because I actually don't understand what's going on. Genuinely, I don't know what to do now. Do I just leave it? But it's like kinda loose. Yo, I'm stressing, bruh. I'm really, really stressing. And I know for a fact that, oh, I was gonna say I know for a fact that I didn't drop any screws. So I just picked up a screw. 2, 4, 6. Yeah, these are for the hard drive. So, hey, yeah, no. Okay, so long story short, I've decided to just leave the screws because there's literally nothing I can do because it's not like they're not the same size at all. So um yeah, there's nothing I can do. So realistically though, it should hold. This is the thing. There is one screw at the top, right? So realistically, it should hold. Oh my gosh, I'm so dumb. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Oh, oh my gosh. The screws come from underneath. These are the screws, these long screws. They come from underneath and they, oh my days. I was so stressed. I'm like, how is my hard drive gonna stay? Wow, you know what? We learn every day. We learn it. But I'm not even gonna lie, I was feeling really, really deflated. I was like, wow, how can I be, how can I fail with something as easy as screws? The screws come from the bottom. Why didn't I? Yeah, and it's all of them. Like, yeah, this is the one, two, three. These two are the long, long ones. These are the one. Oh, bro, I was so stressed. But wow, you know what? We learn every day. I'm not even mad at myself. Um, like I say, this is my first time. I don't know if I say that, but this is my first time doing anything like this. So, gonna give myself grace because I have no idea what I'm doing. Wow, bro, like if you know me, you know I'm not exaggerating when I say I was on the verge of tears because what am I doing? What am I doing? Genuinely, so wow. I'm glad I figured that out because I would have like been thinking about it every time I use my laptop. I'd have been like, yo, what if my thingy just falls out? Which realistically, even if there were no screws, it wouldn't. I mean, even if these screws weren't there, it wouldn't fall out. But like, just because that's how I think sometimes, I always expect the worst. So yeah. Okay. Guys, my brother's phone has this really cool feature where it's like, let's say the phone is locked, and then you just and then the flashlight goes on. That's a really cool feature. I always have to like switch on my phone. Now who's gonna hold the torch for me? Oh my gosh. I'm trying to hold this thing. Okay, so now what I'm oh, this thing is not locked in. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take my USB, my bootable USB, and then switch it on. If everything is fine, then I'm gonna screw it. Screw the then I'm gonna screw the keyboard and whatever. Yeah, so let me get my USB. This is my USB. Okay, I'm so sorry if you can hear noise. The microwave is on, so yeah. But now I cannot for the life of me remember how to boot from USB, so gonna do that right now. Boot Windows from USB. Okay, I just switched it on. It's actually working. So I want to do like difference in boot up speed first of all. But then no, I have to install the Windows first, I think. That's the logical way. I am low-key having a heart attack because if it doesn't work, if I mess it up, it's stuck on the screen that says, oh, okay, something is loading. Oh, my heart. Bro. Okay. Let's go. We are in the boot screen. I think. Yes, we are. I don't know why I'm in United States. Okay, I don't even have other options. Install now. Just like that.
When it's done, your PC should automatically restart. Do not interrupt the boot process by shutting down or unplugging your PC during this process.
Ooh, let me plug my thingy in.
Once it's finally booted up, we should land at the Windows 10 setup screen.
It's charging.
From here, you can customize the OS to your preference.
Okay, I think this is gonna take a while, so I'm just gonna leave it. Come back with an update when it is done. Deuces for now.
A few moments later.
Let's say with my shoes and my trousers on without having to put any kit on at all. I have to step in here, Lee, and suggest you're deluding yourself.
Hey guys, it is a new day and I am officially done with changing out my hard drive. Now we are going to test it. I've obviously tested it by myself, but we're gonna test it together. As you can see, it is off. It is currently off. I'm gonna switch it on now just so you can see how quick it boots up. Look at that, it's already booted up. There we go, it's already booted up. I don't know how many seconds that was, but yeah, I'm just gonna enter my password real quick. Look at that. super quick. And I don't want to like oversell it because right now my laptop is empty, so it could just be that it's not running a lot of processes, but still it is a huge difference from how long it was taking with the HDD and how it's taking now. So like I click on an icon and the app opens immediately. It doesn't hang, it doesn't do nothing, it immediately opens. So if your laptop is slow, please, if you are using a hard disk drive, please get an SSD. I it really does improve performance. If you can as well, get additional RAM, but I feel like the SSD will make a lot of difference. All that's left is now to wait for the SATA cable so that I can transfer stuff from my HDD to my SSD. But I will also be able to like use the hard drive as external storage, so that's a big plus. Oh guys, I forgot to show you in my one of my earlier clips I thought I broke the CD. I still don't know what it's called. CD drive? What is it called? The CD drawer, whatever. But it is absolutely functional. It works just fine. It opens and closes. So we didn't break nothing. Thank goodness for that. And it actually, I should have put a CD. Let's do that now. So I've got my CD. This is Lecrae Rehab. Listen, if you haven't listened to this album, I'm sorry, I don't know what you're doing. But yeah, we're gonna try it, make sure the thingy actually works. I haven't tried it with the CD, so if it doesn't work, I might actually just cry, because what do you mean? Okay, I hear it running, it's spinning. There we go. Select to choose what happens, play audio CD. It's reading. Oh, my laptop is on mute. Yes, sir. I hope this has been enjoyable for you, and maybe even I hope it's been enjoyable and even informative in some way for you. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace and love. Bye.